We just talked about how you can go to the summary view, we call it, another kind of home screen that has a lot of information laid out. But also we talked about the app-like layout and how it works similar to smartphones. For example, you can tap and hold and drag and switch apps around as you like. Also for the apps that were downloaded to the vehicle, for example, people here, you could drag it up and delete it just like you would in a smartphone. So that's some of the cool user interfaces. There's also some little nice touches that I like. Like if you want to know the Wi-Fi settings, you can just tap this 4G bar down here. It takes you right into the Wi-Fi settings. Same with the clock if you want to do the date and time settings or things like that. Also something that's really cool in the system, I think, is the navigation system. It's connected, so it's got live traffic information. You can see like we're at the edge of the ocean here, but those are green bars. That means there's no low traffic in those areas. So that's a live traffic feed. Also, we demonstrate this is near field communication for connecting your phone to the car. And then down here we have this multi-function controller, or the rotary knob. Another way to interact with the vehicle. You can turn it and it'll toggle through the apps on the screen, and you can press it to hold it, and then you can go back or straight into nav or audio, whatever it is, just by using this controller down here. We've also got something you can't really show very well, but is the voice recognition system is a third way to interact with the system, and it also has an off-board element. So now we're getting a little bit smarter and a little bit more natural commands you can give that the vehicle will recognize.